hapon, akong amigos, ako si Ned sa Philippine Dreams, and do I got a surprise for you. Okay, now if you like pizza, and who doesn't, you gotta check this video out. Alright, so right now we're down on Hibbert Avenue. This is the same street that Silliman University is on, and we are in front of Esturya Tapas and Bar, which is actually now a full-blown restaurant. This is it right here. We'll go inside in just a bit to check it out, and I think they're gonna, I don't know, they might be expanding, I'm not sure. Alright, so if you're wondering where this is located, Neva's Pizza is right down there, and Harold's Mansion is just down there. It's right as you're heading out of the city. It's right before the Blue Pearl Korean meat restaurant, and that's the location. Here you go. Another Esturya fan. So enough of that. I'll put up the map at the end of the video of where it exactly is. Let's go inside and check out the interior. Okay, so here is the interior of Esturya. It's a small restaurant, but as you can see, it's exquisitely laid out. The owners, managers, and staff paid a lot of attention to detail and really making this a pleasant dining experience. We're here during the day when nobody's here. It hasn't even opened yet. They got a wine rack over here. They're also bringing in some specialty beer brews. They got 2 air conditioning units, so it's actually can be kind of cold here. And you guys know I like art, and there's a lot of art on the walls. And it's by a local. All this is by a local Dumaguete-based artiste. And I don't know if these are for sale or not. But as you can see, it's small. It's in a private residence actually on the first floor. And like I said, they got specialty brews coming in, specialty brews as in beers. So it's not only a fine dining experience, and like I said, this is the best pizza I've had in the Philippines easily. But they're also gonna have some unattainable, usually for Dumaguete, specialty beers. So here's the layout, it's nice. Peaceful. It's usually busy at night. And now we'll take a look at the pizza, because that's what I like. Okay, so this is where the rubber meets the road. This is called the Stanglioli, also called the Four Seasons, because it's divided into 4 different sectors with different toppings. They got ham, they got mushroom, they got margarita, and they got marinara. And one of them actually has like anchovy paste on it, which is fantastic. This is the best pizza I've ever had in the Philippines. You could sell this in the United States, no problem. It's that dang good. For Dumaguete to have something like this at this point is just amazing. So definitely come check it out. This is part of the reason that I went from 195 pounds of twisted steel and sex appeal to 205 pounds of cherubic chubbiness, was thanks to pizza. And it's only 299 pesos. That's $6 USD for a little slice of heaven. Now, if you don't mind, I'm gonna leave you be. I got my hot pepper ready to go, a little bit of hot pepper, and I am gonna eat. So this is Ned signing out, and I'm getting ready to gain another pound at least from Esturya and Hibbert Avenue and Dumaguete. All right, so I just finished having my pizza, and I got some leftovers. I got about half the pizza left over because I'm trying not to be a glutton. Keep in mind that Esturya at this point is open from 5 p.m. to about 10:30 or 11 p.m. They fire up the pizza oven at around 6 p.m. and they are open Tuesday through Sunday. They're closed on Mondays. So if you're in Dumaguete and you really like pizza, and again, who doesn't like pizza? You got to check this out. I'm not steering you wrong. And oh, by the way, I get no like paid endorsement deals. I didn't get free pizza or anything like that for making this video. Thank you to all the staff at Esturya for giving us some exclusive access to their new digs. This is Ned over My Philippine Dreams, and I'll see you next time. All right, here at Philippine Dreams, we've got exclusive access to the kitchen. It's a small kitchen because they originally just envisioned this as a whiskey, wine, and tapas. That's small, easy things to eat bar. And they expanded to pizza because they got this beauty right here. This is the brick oven pizza, and this thing makes amazing pizza. So this is where, as they want to say, the magic happens. And unlike some Filipino establishments, look how clean this place is. It's amazing.